Making a snowman.
Awesome! Good job, Catherine Ann. You're doing great. Keep going. Dad's got a big ball.
I got a big ball.
I know. We gotta have all the parts to it. So keep both of these. Woo!
Keep pushing.
Woo! Where should we put it?
Here in the middle.
We can put it right here.
Catherine.
Good idea.
Alright, y'all tell me all about your snowman. How did you make him?
My daddy.
Say snow is fun.